Ever stared at a bill, a sinking feeling in your stomach, and wondered, how am I actually going to pay this thing? I mean, we've all been there, right? The due date loans, and the mental gymnastics of transferring funds, navigating payment portals, and avoiding late fees can feel like an Olympic sport. Especially when you're juggling multiple bills from different places. Now, if you're a Tangerine customer, you've probably heard about their streamlined approach to banking. But the question remains, how do you actually pay a bill using your Tangerine account? Is it as simple as they say? Is it faster? Is it, dare I say, enjoyable? Today, we're going to demystify the bill payment process with Tangerine, step by step. We'll walk through the various methods, highlight the key features, and answer those burning questions that might be holding you back from ditching the paper checks and embracing digital convenience. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's establish why paying bills online is such a game changer. Think about it. No more rushing to the post office before it closes, no more scrambling to find your checkbook, and no more worrying about lost or delayed payments. Online bill payments offer convenience, speed, and security. And with Tangerine, these benefits are amplified by their user-friendly interface and robust platform. So, how do you actually pay a bill using your Tangerine account? Let's start with the most straightforward method, paying bills directly through your Tangerine online banking or mobile app. First, you'll need to log into your Tangerine account. Whether you're using your computer or your smartphone, the process is largely the same. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay Bills section. This is usually found in the main menu or within the Transactions or Payments area. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your existing payees. If you've paid bills through Tangerine before, your regular payees will be saved for quick access. If you're paying a new bill, you'll need to add the payee. Adding a payee is a simple process. You'll need to search for the company or organization you're paying. Tangerine has a comprehensive list of payees, so you'll likely find the one you're looking for. If you can't find it, you can manually add the payee by entering their name and account number. Once you've selected your payee, you'll need to enter the amount you want to pay and the account you want to pay from. This is where you can choose between your checking account or any other available Tangerine account. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Mistakes can lead to delays or even misdirected payments. Once you're satisfied, confirm the payment. And that's it. You've successfully paid a bill using your Tangerine account. But what about recurring bills? Tangerine makes it easy to set up automatic payments, so you never have to worry about missing a deadline again. To set up recurring payments, follow the same steps as above, but look for the option to schedule a recurring payment. You'll be able to specify the frequency of the payments, e.g., monthly, weekly, the start date, and the end date. This feature is a lifesaver for regular bills like utilities, rent, or loan payments. Now, let's talk about the Tangerine mobile app. It's designed for on-the-go convenience, allowing you to pay bills from anywhere, anytime. The mobile app mirrors the functionality of the online banking platform. You can add payees, pay bills, and set up recurring payments with just a few taps. The app also offers features like fingerprint or facial recognition login, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. One of the great things about Tangerine is their emphasis on security. They use advanced encryption and security measures to protect your financial information. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay informed about your account activity. Another advantage of using Tangerine for bill payments is the speed. Payments are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days, which is faster than traditional methods like mailing checks. You'll also receive confirmation of your payment, giving you peace of mind. But what if you need to pay a bill urgently? Tangerine offers a feature called Interac e-Transfer, which allows you to send money instantly to anyone with an email address or mobile phone number. While not strictly a bill payment feature, it can be used to pay individuals or small businesses that accept e-transfers. To use Interac e-Transfer, log into your Tangerine account and navigate to the Send Money or Interac e-Transfer section. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, the amount you want to send, and a security question and answer. The recipient will receive a notification and can deposit the funds into their account. It's important to note that Interac e-transfer may have transaction limits, so it's best to check the details before sending a large amount. Now, let's address some common questions. What if you make a mistake? What if you need to cancel a payment? If you make a mistake, you can usually cancel a payment within a certain time frame. Contact Tangerine customer service immediately if you need to cancel a payment. They can guide you through the process and help you resolve any issues. Tangerine also offers a comprehensive help center and customer support channels. You can find answers to common questions, watch tutorials, and contact customer service via phone, email, or chat. Paying bills with Tangerine isn't just about convenience, it's about taking control of your finances. By streamlining the payment process, you can save time, reduce stress, and avoid late fees. And with features like recurring payments and mobile access, you can manage your bills from anywhere, anytime. Let's recap the key steps. Log into your Tangerine account. Navigate to the Pay Bills section. Add a payee or select an existing payee. Enter the amount you want to pay and the account you want to pay from. Confirm the payment. For recurring payments, schedule the frequency and start date. Use Interac e-transfer for instant payments. Contact customer service for assistance with errors or cancellations. In conclusion, paying bills with your Tangerine account is a straightforward and efficient process. Whether you're using online banking or the mobile app, you can easily manage your bills and stay on top of your finances. With features like recurring payments, Interac e-transfer, and robust security measures, Tangerine makes bill payments a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.